Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can create a section using Elementor page builder. So first of all let me go here and add a new page, and you can give any page name, and after that you can select the template. Let me go with Elementor full width, then click on publish button. So after that you can click on edit with Elementor. You can also view this page on the front side. So this one, now here you can see Elementor page builder is not available, so you can go directly from here, and now you can install this free extension, this one, what font. So you can identify any type of content in any website. So for example, if I go here, and here you can see it will tell me font family, as well as if I click here, then here you can see all of the typography is here. So font family, font style, font size, and different other things. You can also check button text as well as different other fonts. Even it tells colors. So let me copy this color code, and now here I want to add a new flexbox container. Let me add here, then single column row, then let me drag this one heading here and go to style tab, then scroll down, and here I want to change the color. So let me paste this color code. Now let me go back and copy this color code and copy this content. Then let's go back, content tab, then add here. So now let me align this text in the center, then typography, font size is 60, then font family is railway, and now you can add font weight 700, then line height 72. Now let's go back and we want to add this text. So let's copy and use text editor, this one, and then add the text here. We can align this text in the center, and now we can increase font size. So this one, whatever you want to add. Now I want to go back, then copy this color code and add here. So let's see, font size is 20, and change it whatever font you want to add. So I think Roboto is also okay. Then you can also add some line height. So let me add 32. Now let's check how it works. Okay, you can also add some more gap from the top side by adding line height, as well as you can also add some padding from the top, this one. You can also use margin. Then after that you want to add a button, that's also easy. So if I go here, and now here we can use container as inner section. Before that in Elementor we used sections, and now these are the containers. So now I want to get one more container inside this container. Then let's add a new container. But before adding, first of all I want to add a button inside this container, and then let's add a background color, then add some text, get started today. So if you want to link this button with any page, simply you can copy and add the link here. Then go here. After that, here you can add some spacing. For example, if I add 50 from the top and bottom, I want to add 30. And now here you can go to container settings, then you can increase and decrease the container width. Now I want to duplicate this container, and let's go to parent container, then change the direction, this one. Okay, after that, now I want to remove this background color. Let's make it transparent, then add the text color here and change the text. And you can also add underline in the decoration, this one. Okay, now let's see how we can close these buttons together. Let's go and reduce this parent section width. This one is 50. Okay, you can also add some margin. For example, let me add 100. So now let me go here and align it in the center. If I scroll down, now let's see how it looks. Okay, now if you want to add some gap from top and bottom, you can go here and increase the height. Okay, this one. And now if you want to add this image, then you can save this image. And now let's add a new container, then click on plus button and drag the image element here. Then you can go and upload the file from your laptop. So I have it in media library. Let me select this one, and now you have full control over the size. You can add a custom size. Okay, make sure that you have added this one full width, so that image should look a large size. Then you can align everything in the center, then click on publish button.